I didn't intend on designing a set that reminded me of three people that I really love and appreciate in my life, but that's actually what happened. What I intended with this set was to honestly create a very divisive set that uses single line art and kind of abstract drawings. And honestly, it wasn't until I started editing these videos that I realized each of the animals I chose are directly related to a person in my life. One of my best friends absolutely loves foxes, and I definitely made a fox for her. I have another friend who I saw 8 bears with in a weekend in the woods in Shenandoah National Park, and that's exactly who I think of whenever I see a bear. And then my husband planned this week-long trip in Maine so that we would be guaranteed to see a moose, which we saw none of. But this moose cookie is something that makes me think of him. And so all of these cookies have something to do with my life, but also springtime and getting out into nature, and I hope you enjoy them.